Look at this. For your long drives, it fits on any cup holder. It's standard. It's like a Stanley cup. So it fits perfect if you're driving long distance. All right, guys. So I bring this water bottle with me anywhere, especially in places like this when we're working in a wood shop. There is no air in here. It's very thin and it's hot. This is why I bring this along with me. It's just a portable fan, if you guys can see that. So just pour it in and just put it right by your job site or anywhere you're working. As long as you don't pick up the dust, this is a perfect way. And it's standard like a Stanley cup. And of course, you could have both the air on and you could drink out of it on the side. Now, there's another option, a cap option also. You don't have to have the fan. And then there's different speeds on it. So you want to drink out of it. Still as cold as the morning I left it on, all right? So there was ice in the morning. It stays cool throughout the day. They give you a little portable handle here. Take it out hiking to your job site, anywhere. And of course, add your favorite drink, coffee, water, whatever you want. Okay, I brought my thermal camera so I could demonstrate how cold it is. If you guys can see, it's cold right in the lid because it actually, when you put the fan down, it gets nice and cold. But when you open it up, look at that. We're gonna turn it up right now so you guys can see the fan working. It keeps your water really cold. It might be hot on the outside, but it's nice and cold, keeping it cool. Keeping the water actually tasting a little bit better. You're enjoying it with the air. So very simple. Thermal camera just showing you guys how hot and how cold is the environment. So hope you guys enjoy the video.